Hello, my name is Amaury Guichon. I'm 27 years old. I'm a pastry chef and I live in Las Vegas. I remember starting into the pastry world and all my supervisors told me, don't do it, switch career, it's so hard, even though they were still passionate. So if I have one advice to give to the younger generation, please do not follow that advice. I think it's such a beautiful job, and no matter how hard it gets, no matter how much sacrifice you have to make, it's definitely worth it.
The best ride in a million rounds. I know I'm coming back to you.
It was always a desire of mine of making a mold, and what best company to do it with than Silikomart. I created that design to do a tart in suspension. The cake is very light because you can see through it, which is not really common. And we did the new mold, the ring.
I'm making my way.
Back in the day when I used to create cakes, it took me like forever. You have to understand how to build it, have a good balance of component, taste and flavor, but it's very difficult to make that fit into a different shape, and I was restraining myself. I didn't want to restrain myself anymore, so what I did is I start with a sketch, and after I always figured out a way to do it, and most of the time I adapt technique that I see from other businesses, such as like carpenter, glass blowing. With a little twist we can take and adapt to the pastry world. My experience at Hangar 78 was pretty awesome. I was lucky to have people pretty much from all around the world. I'm confident that they learn great recipes and great techniques. Ciao ciao and see you soon in Las Vegas.